Hey you guys, welcome back for another video. My name is Natara and thank you guys for always coming back for another video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you what MarchPower sent over to me. They sent over to me a stretch fabric cooling comforter. You guys, if you're like me and you sweat during the night, this is the perfect comforter for you for the spring, summertime. It is so soft, it is thin and it's stretchy. As well, it has a cooling effect with it. So, as you can see, I'm taking it out of the package right now. You can see how thin it really is. And upon taking it out of the package, you guys, believe it or not, it was a really cool sensation coming from the comforter. I'm going to leave the link down to MarchPower in the description box, as well as a 10% off coupon. So if you're in need of something that is not going to break the bank and that is very cool and comfortable for you at nighttime, please think about going and checking out this company. I will have the link down below. Once again, thank you to MarchPower for sending me over this comforter. I really do appreciate it. Thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I will see you in my next one. Bye guys.